everyone, this is John Cicora at Terra Sounds. Here's a quick tip to practice your alternate picking, okay? You've got 4 frets at the bottom of the neck here. You want to choose any combination of the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's say 1, 3, 2, 4, and you're going to play those frets on each string going from the bottom to the top. It's really going to get your alternate picking down, up, into shape. So we said 1, 3, 2, 4. Here we go. Then you want to come back down as well. 1, 3, 2, 4. All right, y'all. Thanks so much.